Good morning, friends. Welcome to Weekend Rides, my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox the Red Tiger F7 NP dual dash cam for my Thar. So let's start with it. Okay, so I have a knife here. Let's cut through the packets. I ordered this from Amazon for my Thar, considering the safety requirements when you're on a long drive or a trip. It's always handy to have a dash cam for your insurance purpose. So it's 4K ultra clear Wi-Fi and app control GPS tracking F71P. This is how the box looks. Let's start with that. I'm not sure what all is included in the box, but let's have a look at it and see what it comes with. Once again, here's the packing for you. This is how the box looks. It's not tricky, but it's taking time. Similar to an iPhone cover, iPhone box I mean. Let's see अब क्या क्या आता है box में. Okay, this is how it looks. This first, I think this is the main unit. Okay, Red Tiger Cam Good. This is the screen that it comes with. There's a camera, there's a power button on the left side, and there is this 32 GB, or it supports up to 256 GB I guess, the memory card slot. What else do we have? We have a camera, there's a power connection, there is a USB I guess for the charging, there is this audio video in, you have mode and up and down arrow buttons on this. Okay, that's what it is. Let's go to the, I guess this is the GPS as well as the, if I'm not wrong, this should be the rear camera. I'm not sure how this connects. Maybe this is the front camera. Let's see. I'm not sure. I'm checking it out. What else do we have in the box? There's a user manual here that Red Tiger sends. Oh, a lot of cables. Okay, this is the rear camera. Okay, this is I guess the internal camera. I'm sure it looks like a three-way channel, or this is the GPS one. Need to see, need to find out someone who can install it for me. So this is the rear camera. Okay, cool. Comes with a pretty long cable. I guess we should be able to install it without any issues. And there are some 3M stickers, to fit in the wires or to conceal the wires. What do we have here? Okay, this is the main power cable, if I'm not wrong, that will fit into the car's cigarette lighter, if you can see. Okay, and this goes in here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's a C type, USB-C. So this goes in here like that, one end, and the other end goes into the cigarette lighter. It also comes with a USB charger so that your cigarette lighter is not totally dead. You can still use it to charge other devices with the USB. I'm considering to hardwire it to the battery so that I'll have this parking monitor sensor. What else do we have? Okay, we have this just to ensure to put in the cable inside the the roof of the car. Hopefully this fits in well. Yeah, that's about it. That's my REDTIGER 3-way channel dual dash cam. I'm hoping this is only GPS or camera. I'm not sure yet, but I need to check out. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Let's meet again.